kind of like it. Yeah. A lot of other people do. They binge watch videos of this. People soap shaving, you saw it there, whispering, finger tapping. And obviously it's a little bit strange as you're watching it. For a lot of people, members of the ASMR community in particular, it's healing. They say it alleviates stress, insomnia, depression, and even pain. And the reality is I had actually never allowed myself to just fully envelop in the sensation from that. And it felt a little
it gets your attention.
Yeah. It does.
It sucks. It pulls you in so much that you forget if something else was going on in your mind that you.
Yes, it does.
You gotta have.
I'd rather hear one of the girls whisper like that.
I would too. I would. But the right voice, the right tones, the right. Obviously, they're also using really good audio.
Yeah. Right.
Why? What is this thing?
Okay, so ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. And basically, it refers to the feelings of euphoria and tingleness that people get, especially in response to sensory stimuli. The most common ones from research studies are whispering and crisp sounds, as you saw in that video. So the fingernails, eating pickles. And the reason why people think that it helps them is because it tends to promote this relaxation sort of quality. And some people will say they've felt better, not only while they're listening to those videos, but up to hours afterwards. 80% of people will say that they increase their mood. However, there's no controlled study, so we don't actually know how it works. I have some clients who swear by this, though, and they kind of use it as an alternative therapeutic technique.
I kind of want to watch it again. Does anyone else?
Yeah.
Right? A little bit of that soothing voice. You want
You like
more?
the voice the best?
Can we?
Did you guys get some tingliness?
Yeah.
I did.
And the tapping?
A little bit.
Of course, if someone is on medication and they're getting treatment from a counselor, I wouldn't say stop your medication and just do this. You should do it in conjunction with a medical professional's opinion. But if you have mild depression or something and you don't even need medication, then this could be really soothing in those instances too, or in conjunction with medicine.
I couldn't agree with you more, but it seems like a benign way to calm down. Maybe you have a few of these.
Wait, Judy, does this work for you?
Yeah, it does.
It all does.
I like that.
Do you like that? Do you want one
like
too?
it.
I want one too.
Clearly, this could all be placebo effect. And
Pass it down.
That's the stuff.
Now you do it to Dr. Chaz.
Okay.
Let's do some TV.